These filters are all over social media right now, and they're pretty simple to create. In this video, I'll share the exact workflow using Nano Banana 2 and Kling 3 to create these filters easily. These are the weirdest Nano Banana prompts I tested so far, so let's get started. So, first filter that's going viral is, if you use this prompt template in Nano Banana 2, it creates a giant clone of a person. So the idea is simple. You create a giant version of yourself in the same street, and then place your normal-sized version right in front of it. It's all about that insane scale contrast. Now to create this, we start with Nano Banana. You basically describe two versions of the same person. You can also upload your photo as a reference. One normal-sized, holding a phone, and one massive version, towering above, mid-step, interacting with the smaller version. Make sure both versions have the same face, same outfit. That's what makes it believable. And keep it in a real environment, like a street, golden hour, natural lighting. That realism is doing a lot of heavy lifting here. Now, you can animate this using Kling 3, and here's a prompt you can use. Now this is where most people mess up. In Kling, don't add crazy movement. Keep everything very, very subtle. Slight weight shift, tiny head movement, maybe hair moving in the wind. If you overdo the motion, it instantly looks fake. And you can push this even further. Try different settings like neon streets, fog, rain. It makes the scene even more cinematic. Before we move forward, a quick word about today's sponsor. Applying to jobs takes hours, and half the time, you never even hear back. You customize resumes, write cover letters, prepare interviews, and still feel stuck. What if an AI job agent does all that for you? Meet AI Apply, AI agent that works 24/7 to help you get your dream job. It literally auto-applies to hundreds of jobs for you. You just swipe through matches like this. It creates tailored resumes, cover letters, and even follow-up emails in seconds. It pulls from over 2 million job listings, updated daily. So instead of spending weeks applying, the AI handles the heavy lifting while you focus on actually getting hired. If you're job hunting right now, you need to try this. Go to aiapply.co, links in the description. This one looks like a fashion ad. So the idea here is really simple. You take a normal photo and then duplicate every piece of clothing the person is wearing and display them floating beside them. But not flat, fully shaped, like invisible mannequins wearing them. Now in Nano Banana, the key is don't change the original image at all. Same pose, same lighting, same background. You're only adding the duplicated clothes to the side. And this part is important. The clothes should feel like they have structure. Sleeves, slightly bent. Jacket holding shape. Pants standing naturally. Shoes upright. Basically, like there's an invisible body inside. And arrange them neatly, almost like a fashion display or styling board. Now in Kling, this is where it becomes premium. Keep everything slow and smooth. Clothes gently rotating. Slight floating motion up and down. Soft fabric movement. And the model walks forward like a runway shot. Now in Kling, this is where it becomes premium. Keep everything slow and smooth. Clothes gently rotating, slight floating motion up and down, soft fabric movement. And the model walks forward like a runway shot. This one is honestly disturbing. So the idea here, you turn your face into a packaged product, like something you'd find in a supermarket, but it's literally your face sealed inside. To create this, we use Nano Banana. And the key here is the plastic wrap realism. You're basically describing a food tray with your face compressed inside it. No body, no neck, just the face. The plastic should feel tight, stretched, with reflections, wrinkles, and slight distortion. Now in Kling, this is very important. Don't animate the whole thing. Keep it extremely minimal. Almost uncomfortable. Tiny eye movement, subtle reflections, shifting, condensation slowly sliding. That's it. The reason this works is because your brain expects it to be completely still. So even the smallest movement makes it feel alive and slightly unsettling. And that's what creates that viral effect. This one is pretty creepy. If you upload your photo and use this prompt in Nano Banana 2, it creates an image of a person holding a giant version of their own head. The key is, don't touch the environment at all. Same background, same lighting, same scene. You're only modifying the person. The body stays normal, but the head becomes huge, and the person is holding it with both hands. Make sure the giant head still looks realistic. Same skin texture, same expression. Nothing cartoonish. Now in Kling. Again, keep it subtle. Slight body movement, tiny head tilt, hair moving softly. And you can even add something like the giant head reacting slightly, like sticking the tongue out or shifting expression. If you use this prompt, it transforms your face into a glossy 3D collectible head. No body, just a floating head. Same hairstyle, same details, but with a smooth, plastic finish. It looks like a premium designer toy. And when you animate it in Kling, the head slowly rotates like a product showcase, with light reflections sliding across the surface. Super clean, super cinematic, and very premium looking. Before I show you some more cool Nano Banana prompts like this, if you want to master Nano Banana beyond just basic prompts, my full Nano Banana Pro Prompt guide breaks down advanced structures, cinematic workflows, ad templates, character systems, and 100+ pretty cool use cases like the one I shared. It's designed for creators who want consistent, professional results, and it's updated regularly. Link is in the description. If you use this Nano Banana 2 prompt, it transforms your image into a dramatic digital painting. You get a strong upward gaze, bold, confident expression, with textured brushstrokes and a powerful red, yellow, black, and white color palette. The background splits with abstract paint streaks, giving it that intense, motivational poster feel. It looks clean, cinematic, like a high-end artwork ready for print. If you use this prompt, it turns a WhatsApp message into a full scene. The message bubble becomes a table, and two tiny real humans sit on it, eating actual food. Not cartoon, not plastic. Fully realistic people with natural skin, clothes, and textures. You can even customize the message text, add timestamps, blue ticks, and the background is completely filled with that dense WhatsApp pattern. It looks like a real macro photo, but it's actually built entirely from the message. If you use this prompt, it creates a full high-end product ad. A futuristic room designed around your product's colors, with glossy surfaces and soft lighting. In the foreground, you get a giant version of the product, perfectly placed like a real campaign shoot. And then a model, wearing a bold matching outfit, leaning toward the camera in a strong pose. With wide-angle perspective, low camera angle, and clean reflections everywhere. It looks like a luxury brand commercial, not something generated. Don't forget to check out the Nano Banana 2 guide. I also added Kling 3 prompt guide link if you're interested in mastering Kling and write better prompts. Comment which one is your favorite.